All right, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create these visual diagrams that you can use for presentations, teaching, um, and doing like long form YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. So you can like just to give you an idea of like the different type of diagrams you can create. Um, so like notice it's not like ordinary presentations. Like you can actually go very dynamic here. So just take a look at these few examples and I'll just show you like how you can literally prompt your way into programmatically creating these diagrams and editing these diagrams. So I created this all by like prompting. So here, this is Claude Code. I don't know, it's not opening. Okay. And Claude Code is basically like, imagine like a chat GPT, but it codes. So I can even say, make me a test diagram um, that shows the difference between cows and potatoes. Just something very random, just to show you guys like how I can type and get it, and then I'm going to show you how I can edit it, and include various different elements of. Actually, whatever. I'm just going to send this through, and while that's taking place, I'm just going to show you some examples like right here. So like notice they're quite dynamic with arrows, different colors, inner boxes, text. It's not here, but you can do different fonts of text. And why you want to do these like compared to regular presentations is because they're more engaging and they allow you to communicate ideas in like sort of new novel ways. Like the problem I have with presentations is that they sort of like get uniform over a certain amount of time. Like they kind of look and feel the same. Like you're kind of like, oh, another presentation. Um, but here, you get unique diagrams each time, and that they're visual, right? Like that's a big deal that cements in your mind deeper, including the ideas, not just the visuals themselves. Um, and so yeah, just take a look at some of these examples. Right? Okay. Now I'm going to show you actually how to set this up. So, um, first of all, I'm gonna explain what's happening behind the scenes. So first of all, you're gonna download an extension here, right? Let's just move this out of the way. And it's gonna say Excalidraw, right? You're gonna click on this extension, and then you're gonna click install. I already have it installed. It's by this guy, PalmDTR, right? You're gonna install it. That's like the first step. And it's really simple, by the way, because I'm going to give you the skill. So basically, you just download the folder and you drag it in to your project. And then it's just easily accessible. Then you could just say something like, hey, make me a diagram on XYZ. And it'll know how to design it, how to come up with the content for it. You can give the ideas for the content and then you can edit it as well. So my cows versus potatoes diagram is ready. And here we go. Cows have 4 legs, potatoes have 0. The habitat is an open field. It's underground. Okay, that looks right. Rideable. Okay. Yeah, it's technically rideable. Okay, so you get the idea. Um, so just imagine the possibilities. Imagine you want to really be a content creator and you want to make like 10 videos like really rapidly. I can open multiple Claude Code, you know, and just open multiple tabs and just fire away and create many diagrams at once. These are like agents, right? You can have many agents at once. Imagine like a team of 10 agents, 10 diagram creating agents, and they will make you video presentations like this really fast. And then you just get on camera like I'm doing right now and just teach it, right? What also you can do is you can go like back and forth with Claude Code, like just like you're talking to ChatGPT, you go back and forth, you talk and you explore, like, what do you even want to talk about, right? You just go back and forth and just talk and keep going deep. I call it like AI deep exploration in my head. It's just a mental model. And I just go deep with Claude Code or ChatGPT. And then once I finally get somewhere, then I can just say, okay, based on everything we discussed, create me a final diagram, and it'll just create the diagram, and then you go and teach it, right? So these are just some of the different workflows you can use to create these diagrams. And again, just to convey the power, like, you save immense amounts of time. So here, why is this a game changer? You save a ton of time, and their visual presentations, they cement deeper in the mind. And regarding setup, like I said, you're going to install that extension, Excalidraw. Okay. And then, yeah, again, I'm going to create, I already have the skill for you guys. So it's just this folder right here. It's going to be in my school group. It's a free school group. And then you just basically download it and just upload it to your project, right? And the last thing is you need to enter this one command. So basically, this is to install like the MCP for Excalidraw. And what that is basically, if I want to create a diagram without MCP, right? I wrote it here. If I don't have the MCP, then it's just going to write the whole file. So every time, so if I want to edit the file, I can't edit it. I need to create a new one from scratch. And that takes a lot of time, a lot of tokens, a lot of costs, and it's just inefficient. You don't even get somewhere with editing. But if you have the MCP, that allows you to continuously edit the drawing. So the MCP is a pretty powerful part of the equation. But just to iterate, like, you are not doing much here. You literally install the extension, write this command in the terminal, or you could just tell Claude Code. Oh, no. You would need to do this yourself because sometimes it asks you for a password. Probably not in this case. Just enter this. This is cut off here, but it's diagram, right? And you just copy this as is. I can put this in the school group as well. But yeah, you just copy this and paste this into the terminal. Like, you just go into your terminal, enter, and then you would just copy this, right? Oh, there you go. Copy this. Oh, it's still here. Okay. Copy this and then paste it here. And then you click enter, right? If it asks you for a password, just put the password for your computer. Click enter. And when you're typing the password doesn't fill. So if you're not seeing any characters fill up, that's part of the process. You just type it and click enter. It will take it and install it, right? Okay. But before you run, you give that command to the terminal, you would just tell Claude Code to create a diagram.excalidraw file. So the command has something to reference here, right? It's just like a test file to get started. And again, why this is so amazing is because, you can programmatically edit the diagram. So you're not just creating diagrams for presentations. You can quickly reach like your vision of the presentation through iterations, like rapid editable iterations. You could edit it yourself like you just saw me do. But what the real joy here and the speed and like the real game changer is when you tell Claude Code to edit it, right? And here's what's amazing. You don't need an account, right? You don't need to go create an account. You don't need to go to a website to create an account or do anything or understand anything. It's all open source and it's 100% free. I find that absolutely amazing. And by the way, if you don't have Claude Code, the setup is quite simple. What you would do is you would download VS Code. This is VS Code. You download that from Google. You would install Claude Code. You just type in extensions, Claude Code for VS Code. You'd click install. There would be a login area. You log in. You would sign up for Claude Code you'd sign up for the regular Claude subscription. So you'd go to Claude.ai, sign up there. You can create a $20 a month subscription. I have the $100 a month because if you're really serious about using Claude Code and like getting a lot out of it, you're gonna run out of tokens really quickly if you use the what is it, the Pro one. I would get the max, but I would start off on the Pro, which is 20 a month. Test it out, see how you like it, um, and then if you like it, go to the max version, right? Um, and once you have Cloud Code installed, you're logged in, you're basically good to go. You may need to install Python 3. So if it says somewhere here like, hey, do you want to install this? Just install it. Like usually it's fine. Um, and then you're good to go. You open a Claude window and then you just start typing away and start building, right? Yeah, I think it pretty much covers it. Once again, I'm going to include the skill in the school group, and then you could just download that. It's all free. I'm not charging on the school group or anything. It's all free. Um, and yeah, that's it. I'm going to be making a lot of videos on like how you can like basically imagine you want to create a presentation, right? Like for YouTube videos, you can like have a template beforehand that you could just choose and like imagine different templates for like teaching I guess it's not coming out the way I want to explain it. Um, but yeah, basically like how I came up with this, like there's different mental models in teaching, right? Like you need like there's different formulas I put it for teaching. And so like this could be a formula, right? Like what am I going to talk about in this video? What do you need for the setup, right? If you're doing a tutorial, different things like that. And like you could just run the skill, select the different items you need for the presentation, and you're like, okay, I need this, this, and this. It's going to ask you, and it just creates it. So you don't even have to think about okay, what goes in the diagram or the presentation. So there's a lot you can do here, and if you want, you can just build these skills yourself and offer them to people as well. So there's a lot you can do here. So yeah, if you are interested in that, I would subscribe for more content. All right, guys, peace.